Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today's video, it's going to be a collage of small handmade Christmas trees. And my first Christmas tree is made out of the plastic silver spoons, the very small ones. And as you see, it's decorated with Christmas trees and mirrors. It's a double mirror and it's all decorated with beads and with a beautiful star. And that's my first one. And then you go to the second one. This is a green Christmas tree with silver decorations and all colorful beads. And this one also is on a double mirror with Christmas trees. And these are all handmade. And these are the larger plastic spoons, and it's dipped in green glitter. And I did the same thing with the star. Then you go to the third one. This one is also the big large plastic spoons, and as you can see, this one is the holographic glitter, and this is one mirror, and the other one is just an ordinary stand, but it's decorated with lots of glitter. And then you have the plastic spoons, of course, with the little beads. Then you go to the fourth one. This one is royal blue, and it's topped with a star that's also royal blue, and I added silver little sunflower mesh, and the beads are pearl and silver. And this one is also on a mirror and decorated with gifts, of course. And then you go to the next one. This one is Snow White. So the plastic spoons are dipped in white glitter, as you can see, with gifts. And there's just a base stand, but it's glittered. I put lots of glitter, silver glitter, and it's topped with one mirror. And I added some beads. Isn't that beautiful? It's Snow White. And I did the same thing with the star, and I added transparent beads. And the finale is a large silver tree. This one's the extra large one. And this one is purple and silver. And what I did is I decorated with little Christmas boxes, and I put little beads of colors to match the purple. So this is an extra large one, and you'll see the star, and it has purple beads with silver. So this is my collage, and these are all handmade. Very beautiful. So this is all my collection so far. My next video, I will be doing a small Christmas tree and to show you how it's done. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please subscribe, comment, or like, and I will see you next time on my next video. Thanks, and have a great day, everyone.